Hey kindergarten friends, go ahead and grab out your sight word packet and some other items we'll talk about as we get to each page, so you can grab those when you need them. We're at the point now where we're reviewing all of the words. In this package, just the 10, but when we go here, we're going to do all 20 of them. So, you ready to read some words? Let's get to it. I'm going to start at the top like we're reading, go across from left to right. All right, here we go. As I was doing that, I realized I went fast at a few of those, so hopefully you stayed up with me. If not, grab those words that you had struggles with and practice those instead of all of them. Just keep practicing those few that you needed. I was reading them and I was just going.
I was thinking the same thing. I was like, wow, that was pretty quick.
So if you kept up with me, you're good. Fabulous practicing. All right, so we're going to find the page after the rainbow writing that has roll a sight word.
Ooh.
So if you have a dice, grab that. If you don't have a dice, the other thing you can do is some number cards. So I just found 1 through, ace being 1 through 6, and you can use this instead if you don't have a dice at home or cards, or you can use the numbers from your math binder 1 through 6. So you have that option. So if you don't have any of these things, a dice or cards, then you can just make your own cards or use the one from math binder. So I'm going to mix these up because I'm going to show you how you can use this. So mix those up, and we're going to go to this page. I'll do a little bit of each. So I'm going to pick a card. I can just take the top one, and I got a 1. So 1 is the word was. So you're going to write it, W-A-S, and say it, was. Then you're going to pick another card, 4. 4 is at, A-T, at. And if you want to put these all back in and mix them up each time, you can do that so you have different ones. So I put them in there, mixed them up. I'm going to pick this one. Ooh, 5. R. A. R.
So every time you say R, I think of a pirate, just so you know.
R. That's what I tell them to remember. Just remember the pirate, what a pirate says. If you have a dice, then you just use it as a dice. And I have 3. His. So those are some ways that you can do this. At. A-T. Just make sure you're reading the word and saying it. All right, so that's that page. Remember, the one that gets to the bottom first is the winner, and then you're done with that page. And then our last page, this one's a different one. I don't think this was in the last packet, so this is a new way to practice our words. It's called Spin a Sight Word.
Oh.
So it has all the 10 words in here. And some of the ways you can do this is if we were in school, I had this really fun spinner. You put in the middle and you can spin it. You probably don't have that at home, but you never know. So you can't really read what it is, so you have to move it. So I got as. So I'm going to write the word as. So you have to find it and then write it. Or you can use a paper clip. I'm going to use a small one. And your pencil. And you put the pencil right on that dot there with the paper clip in the middle. And you spin it. Oh, it's a line. With is the word it landed on. So now I'm going to find with. I'm going to write it.
Oh, that's a good idea. You're tricky.
So there's that option. Or if you don't have any of that, you can take all of your 10 words, however, and you can put them upside down like I did with the cards and pick them. And then so like this one I got R. R. And so you'll write R.
When's Talk Like a Pirate Day? Let's do that day.
Let's do that. Righty matey. So that's another way you can do it too, is you can use your cards and turn them over. So different ways. You don't have to spin it if you don't have those items. You can use your cards and use it.
We miss you guys. I don't know why today I'm suddenly missing everybody.
I can't wait to see you all on Zoom tomorrow. Keep practicing your words, and we'll see you then. Bye.